Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group A. My name is Muh Habibi Gustaff and my partner is Muh Habibi, and we want to present our project. The title of this project is Digital Bookstore or the Bookstore. So first is, what is Android Studio? Android Studio is an integrated development environment or IDE for Android application development. Based off Intel IDE, apart from being powerful Intel IDE code editor and developer tool, Android Studio offers a lot more features. The point is to increase your productivity while creating Android application. So in this project, we are using Android Studio to make the syntax and the UI of the application. Next is the Firebase Database. Firebase is a service from Google to make it easier and even easier for application developer to develop their application. Firebase RBAS or Backend as a Service is a solution offered by Google to speed up the work of developer. By using Firebase, app developer can focus on developing app without putting a lot of effort into the backend. So in this project, we using the Firebase to store the data of the account, the login and regis, and also the payment page. So next is the flowchart. So here the flowchart, from start we login. If we have an account, we move to data validation. If we don't have an account, we register, and then we fill the registration form, and then we go again to the data validation and go to the home page. In home page there are 4 options. If we choose list, and then we go to the book list, and after we choose the book, we input the data payment, and then we go to the Firebase, and then we finish in here. So next, if we click maps, and we will go to the store address or store maps, and then we go back again to the home page. If we click the customer service, we will go to the contact person, and then we go to the home page again. Next is the rate or the bug report. In here, if we click this, we go to the rating bar, and then we go again to the home page. Next is the GUI. So this is the UI of the login page. This is the first page of this project. So on this project, we are required to log in by entering the email and the password that has been registered to the Firebase. If you don't have any account, you just click this register button, and then we go to the register page. Here is the register page. In here we fill the new email and the new password, and then we click register, and after that we go to the home page. But if you already have an account, we click here already have account, and we go back to the login page again. This is the Firebase data for the account. In here we can see there's already 4 accounts for the testing. Next is the home page. In here we using the cart view, so customer can choose several options. In this home page we have 4 options, which is list, location, bug report, and customer service, and then there's a logout button in here. Next, if we click the list, and then we will go to this page. In here there's a book list that we sell in the bookstore, and after we choose what book we want to buy, and then we go to the payment page. In here we fill the NIK, name, address, and email, and after that we click buy, and then in this green area there will be the history of our payment. So like this, Habibi from Citraland Makassar, and this is the Firebase of the payment. So As you can see in this database, the email, the name, and the ID is same as history in here. So next, if we choose the location, we will show the map of the location of our official store. Next, if we click the bug report, in here we using the rating bar, so you can fill the comment and rate our app in here. Next, if you click the customer service, in here we will be shown to contact person. There's an email and then a phone number. In case there a problem on your payment or on the app, you can go contact one of these options. So that's all that I can explain. Next, my friend Muh Habibi will show you the implementation of this program or the application.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muh Habibi. I will continue this presentation. On this session, I will implementation about this project, and after you run this project, the first display is home login page. If you have any account, you can log in over here, but if you didn't have account, you can register over here and create a new one account. For the example, I will show you and my new account and register. Okay, this is a home page, but before I will discuss about the code, the simple code. In here, this is a code for the regis page. In here, we'll declaration the Firebase out is Firebase, and in here we declaration the email, this ID, password, button, and in here we use a condition over here. If your email is empty, you will get the message error over here. The message error is this, and that's same for the password. If your password is empty, you will get the message error. And to continue is a register user. In here, email string, password string, and in here we call the Firebase. Out is Firebase. You can see again, out is Firebase. We call the Firebase over here, and we create user with email and password. So in here we use condition again. If your create account is success, you will go into home page. Main activity 2 is home page. If your create is success, you will go into the home page, and I think it's done. And we're going back to the application. In here we use the chart view. We use a 4 chart view, list, location, bug report, and customer service. We're going to do the first simple before the customer service. In here, if you click the chart view over here, honestly in here I'm using a image button, and this is just only a text view. If you need contact of the customer service, you can contact us by the email and by the number phone. And going back, I'm going to bug report over here. This is a match button 2. Click, and in here you can see the red bar over here. I'm using a red bar. You can see the red over here on below, 4.0, 5.0 the rate, and if you click the button send over here, the toss will display. This toss will display. I'm going back, and we're going to location. In here, if you want to go to the store, you can see the location over here, you can see the address. And but if you want to see the maps, in here I'm using a Google Maps module over here. So if you want to see the maps, you can click button over here and the maps will be open. If you want to zoom, you can control and click left control, and you can click over here the official store DBS, and that's maps. And the last, we're going to list over here. If you click the list over here, you can see all of list over here. For example, if you click this, and you can see the description of this book, like a synopsis, like a title. And if you want to buy the book, you can click the button price over here, and in here you should insert your data over here, like a form, your nick, for the example 1 2 3 4 5 6, and your name is Muh Habibi, your address Citraland Makassar, and your email. Okay, and if you click a button buy over here, your data will save on Firebase. Okay, the toss will display, and you can see the Firebase over here. Okay, Firebase. The first, we're going to the Authentication Firebase for register account, new account. We'll refresh. Yeah, you can see this is my new account, Muh Habibi. That's my new account over here, and we're going to real-time database for data payment. You can see Citraland Makassar, my email, my name. Okay, and you can see the history over here. You can see the history, and it's same, your nick, my name, my address, my email, it's same. Okay, I think this only for this session. And last, if you want log out, you can click the button over here, and it's done. Thank you very much, and wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.